So I just wanted to show what you're looking at is not fog, but it's smoke from wildfires in Alaska, and specifically a Tyonek fire and a Funny River fire is what they call it. That's the areas. But there's a heavy smell of wood smoke in the air. Alright, don't know if you can see it through my windshield. There's some of that wildfire smoke.